In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete labels from a single issue in Jira, whether you're cleaning up your projects or simply making your issue tracker more readable. Understanding how to effectively manage and delete labels is an essential skill. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can accomplish this task smoothly and efficiently. To begin, make sure you have access to Jira by logging into your account. It's important to use a browser you're comfortable with. Most people use Chrome, but feel free to opt for any browser you prefer. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you manage your tasks. Familiarizing yourself with your surroundings is key because knowing your way around can make this process much quicker. Having a good grasp of the interface will definitely help streamline your workflow. Next, you need to find the specific issue or ticket that holds the label you want to remove. You might locate this issue within your project board or search for it using keywords within the search bar. Once you find the ticket, click to open it and you'll be one step closer to managing your labels. Remember, accurately identifying the right issue ensures you're making the appropriate changes. Now, direct your attention to the Labels field. It's typically found on the right-hand side of your issue page or beneath the issue detail section. This field holds all the labels currently associated with your ticket, making it easy to identify which ones you want to delete. By being aware of this section, you can quickly determine the labels that might be cluttering your project view. To delete a label, you'll need to enter Edit mode. Look for the pencil icon or an Edit Labels option, which allows you to make changes to the label list. Clicking this will bring up the interface needed to modify the existing labels on your ticket. Entering Edit mode opens up your ability to streamline the entries by removing any unnecessary ones. Once in the Edit Labels mode, you'll see all the labels applied to your issue laid out in front of you. To remove one, simply find the label in question and click the little X that appears next to it. This action signals Jira to prepare for the removal of that label. It's crucial to ensure you're deleting the correct label, as it's easy to make changes quickly in this interface. Carefully reviewing the list helps prevent accidental deletions. After you've removed the desired label, the final step is to confirm and save these changes. You can do this by hitting Enter or clicking the Save button that should be visible on your screen. This action formally updates the issue with your new streamlined label configuration. Confirming the changes solidifies your edits, ensuring that everything reflects your intended updates. And there you have it, you're all set. You've successfully deleted a label from a single issue in Jira. Remember, managing your labels effectively can significantly improve the ease of navigating your board and enhance productivity. With some practice, you'll be managing your Jira projects like a pro, making sure everything stays organized and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on optimizing your workflow.